Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in today's video, we're going to be doing, a diagnosing and trying to fix a problem in my 2003 Mercury Mountaineer. And I don't know if you can hear, there's a clicking sound from the car. I have the hood up, but you can see the alarm blinking. But the car won't turn on and it's just blinking. I don't have any keys in it or anything. I just opened the door. And when I put in the key, you can see how it makes that sound. And then there's the airbag that turns on. And I don't know if you also noticed. Let me see if I do it again. That thing just turns on and off, and that's for the brake pedal adjustment, or oh no, that's the reverse sensor button or whatever. But the only light that comes on is the airbag, and now it's not doing that noise that it did a while ago. So let's figure out what's going on, and the first thing I'm going to do is check the battery, of course. Okay, so I removed the battery, and I took it in and they said it was defective, but also I noticed, I don't know if you can see on the terminals, there's a little bit of corrosion. So I'm going to clean them up before I install the new battery. Let's see. Actually, this one's not that bad, but I'm still going to clean it up a little bit. And usually do it like with one of these tools, like for the battery. You can get them at any auto parts store, just to clean up the terminals. The battery posts from the new battery are going to be brand new, so you don't have to worry about that. But let me go ahead and do that and then show you that that clicking sound is completely gone afterwards. And it could have been a combination of the corrosion and then also, of course, a bad battery as well. Okay, when you're cleaning the terminals, make sure you get the inside and then also the outside as well to make sure there's good contact with the battery. Okay, and these are the terminals that I cleaned them up already. So I try to get rid of the most corrosion, although there is still some in there. I'm gonna see how I can get in there and clean it out. Okay, and then this one's a lot better. But also I bought these. These are, I guess, terminal protectors, and you can get them at any auto parts store or whatever, but it'll go for the positive and negative, and this is to prevent the corrosion and protect the battery. So let me try to clean these up a little bit more, and then I'll show you how it looks like with the protectors on the battery. Okay, so there you go. That's a much better clean there. I opened it up a little bit more to get in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery back in now. Okay, so this is the battery already installed, and as you can see, I put those protectors on each terminal, which should protect against the corrosion. And I put it on both, although this one has its own little cover. But let's go and see that the click is no longer there, and most likely it was due to a dead battery or defective battery, and then possibly the corrosion had something to do with it as well. Okay, so as you can see, most likely everything is back up to normal. Yeah, so that clicking sound is gone. It was just a defective or dead battery. And I hope this helps so you could diagnose your own issues. And this is in particular for a 2003 Mercury Mountaineer, but the Explorer is the same. And I'll write down the compatible vehicle so you can see the different years from the Mercury. Mountaineer, and it's the Ford Explorer, then also the Lincoln Aviator as well. Okay, so go ahead and leave your go ahead and leave your comments and let me know what you think. Thank you.